In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the sorry we couldn't verify your details error on Klarna. So let's get started. This error doesn't mean you have a credit issue. It's an identity verification problem, and these are the most common reasons, like you might be using a nickname, missing a middle name, or there's a spelling mistakes. So grab your passport or ID, read the spelling letter by letter, and make sure your Klarna profile matches it exactly. So Klarna checks your address with your bank and credit reference system. If you moved recently or typed the address differently, verification can fail. And using the wrong country code, using a number not registered in your name, Klarna needs your primary phone number connected to the bank account. So even a small mistake can cause an instant rejection. You can fix all of these by going to phone and profile and then edit account information. Now, Klarna blocks users who appear to be signing in from another region. So if you are using a VPN, that alone can trigger the error. So step 1 is to update your account details. Your full legal name matches with your passport exactly. Your date of birth, your address, your phone number is the same one linked to your bank card. So step 2 is to check your bank card details. Go to wallet and then payment method and verify the billing address matches your Klarna address. The card is in your name and the card isn't brand new, because new cards sometimes fail verification. Now turn off VPN. Try again using mobile data or home Wi-Fi. VPNs and foreign IPs often trigger identity errors. Sometimes app glitches. Also open your browser and go to the website, log in and try the purchase again. This usually triggers a fresh verification process. If Klarna verification systems are down, you will get this error no matter what. Waiting for a system refresh often fixes it automatically. So tap the support icon in the top right corner, type your issue and select chat with an agent or customer service. They can verify your account manually and fix the problem for you. Alright guys, that's how you can fix this issue. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.